Welcome guys to another profile tree video. So today we're going to be covering GoDaddy website builder templates. So yes, without further ado, we'll go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, so here we are on the GoDaddy platform. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the different templates that you can use and even try to create a website from scratch. So I'm just going to show you the navigation pretty much of GoDaddy. So here we are. This is the my products area, and of course you've got like an accounts and settings area. And these are some of the website or marketing websites that we have created so far, just based off using the GoDaddy. Now, if we do want to create a website, all we need to do is we'll go to GoDaddy here. So it's brought that us back to the main screen. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to create our website here. So I'm just going to start for free. Now it'll ask us to choose a category. So depending on what category your website belongs to, this is where you'll list it. So we'll start a new site. So that you've got band, IT services, gaming, real estate agent, marketing consultant. Now if I type in anything to do with food, as you can see, there's food stand, soul food. There's a list of different options there, as you could see. Now, if we were trying to create something specific with our template, let's just say we were trying to create a car dealership. Here you can see a car dealer, car detailing, car rental, racing, cars and trucks, car wash. So there's a couple of different options there. So I'm just going to select the car dealer. And I'm just going to say used cars PT. Okay, and select next. Now, as you can see, it's already built the website for us. So we'll just wait for this one to load. And there you go, there's a website built for us straight away. So this is welcome to Used Cars PT. Of course, you can take a tour as well if you want to. So this is more like a slight guide onto directing you around the platform, which is a great way. Well, it's a great introductory way to invite a visitor or user to this website builder. So basically, there it is. It's built a website for us. We've got our hero section there, along with an area where we can book online. We've got an area for about us, and it's even created some content for us, like top used vehicles, friendly staff, financing program. We've even got some reviews, and you can connect this to your Google review, or if you have Facebook or any other social media, you can go ahead and link it to this for reviews. I'll go ahead and demonstrate this actually. So I'll go ahead and add a section, and if I search up reviews, of course you can add that again if you want to as well, as you can see. So now we have 2 reviews, and look, this one even states one for Facebook, and I can move that section up or down if I wanted to, so depending where I have it. And what's great is I can also remove some sections, so I could just delete that section like so, and it'll remove itself, just like that. And then if I did want to create some new pages as well, that's easy enough to do. All I would have to do is select on the add page here on the top right. And then this is where I can add a page title. I can have that showing on the footer if I wanted to. I can have that as a private page where no one else could see it. I can have it showing on the navigation. So just say we are going to create an About Us page. So let's just type down About Us, and we would like to show that within the navigation. You can go ahead and select create page. Another thing as well is that you can have it as a new page. You can have it linking to an external website, or you can have that as a drop down menu. So I'm just going to go ahead and create page anyway, and we'll see what we have here. So as you can see, it is a brand new page called About Us, but this page is empty. So then this is where we could start adding some content in. So if I even say here About Us, just with a click, I'm able to add some sections. So here's a feature content with some images. and we'll wait for that to load. And what's great about this as well is I can change the font and texting just by clicking on the actual section box. So I can have that with style 1, style 2, so I can make it as big as I wanted to. I can change the layout, I could change the accent. There's a couple of just different things I could do. I can even change the alignment if I wanted to. So just depending on the section there. And I'm able to, so this will apply that to your website if you do that exact same font. So I'm just going to click done. And what else could we add? We could add like a theme. So let's see if we find something like an introduction maybe. So there's a welcome there. And you can even have some image galleries as well, photo galleries if you wanted to. Just like that. So there's a couple of things that you could do with this website. Get creative if you wanted to as well. It is a little bit limited within the customization. However, you are getting pretty much what you need, especially if you are starting off with GoDaddy. But other than that, if you don't want to build a website from scratch, there are other alternatives. I'm going to go ahead and show you those alternatives. Alright guys, so what we're going to do is we'll move on to our templates here. So these are some of the templates available on the GoDaddy website. Now these are of course default templates. You can choose to modify them, style them to how you would want for your business. As you can see, there are different ones there. So you can create like a business website, you can have an art and design website, restaurants and food, music, professional services, automotive and cars. There's just a list of different categories you could choose. You even have ones there for coming soon. So this is if you're brand new to website development and you do want to get started on it, you're starting to promote things or you're starting to promote an online website, especially if you're running an e-commerce website. Or if you're running a physical store and you want to run an e-commerce website, this could be something that you may want to do within the the GoDaddy website builder. So there are a list of different ones there that you could choose from, and you can preview them pretty much and just have a look to see whether this template would be for you. Check out the mobile optimization as well as the desktop optimization. And on top of that as well as the coming soon one, there are other ones specified as I said to your category. So if you were a photographer, then you could do one for a photography website, and you could do some promotionals. You can even have it so it runs a shop, anything like that. Especially if some people want to buy some prints off you or want to buy the rights to your work. By all means. And if you also have an option there for the online stores, and you can even check out the all website options. So if you browse through here, it even gives you like websites for marketing. You can create a WordPress website, as it is an integration between WordPress and GoDaddy itself. You can have the option to hire a GoDaddy web designer. So pretty much everything is here. Everything that you need to create a website is all here. Now what I want to show you is the actual pricing plans. Now with GoDaddy, it is fairly cheap, or it's cheap enough. And as you'll see here, we've got a basic plan here, which is as low as $3.99 per month. But there is a catch to that. That's $3.99 per month if you do the annual fee for 12 months. So if I go ahead and click into this, as you can see, it is going to be £24.99 per month, or it'll be for the 12 months if you do a basic, it is £3.99, or for a month it's £10.99. So that's the basic website or marketing basic. And of course, just make sure you're looking through the different plans available. Like this one here, this is the one that's $9.99, and that is the e-commerce one. So if I go ahead and select buy, as you can see, so that is for 12 months, it's $9.99. Other than that, it'll be $24.99 per month. So just make sure that you're choosing the right plan, and make sure that you're not spending too much within your, as I said, your actual plan. But what's great about this is you do get a Microsoft 365 email essentials free from GoDaddy. So that's what's good about that plan. Same occurs for the basic plan there. And I would assume the same for standard and premium. And you can also take a look at some of the features that they have below. And you also have some 24/7 customer support, which is great. So if you need any help, you can chat to them. But yes, that pretty much just sums up GoDaddy there. Not much else to it. It's a very, very simple and easy platform. Easy enough to navigate around as well. It can take some time, of course, to navigate around. You may have some issues at the start, but however, I would highly recommend to use GoDaddy as a website builder, especially if you're looking for some templates as well. Some of these templates are really creative. Just before we head out, what I'm going to do is I'll actually show you one of the templates that they have here. So we'll go ahead and select the online store, and let's go ahead and select the salutations one. So there's the loading screen for the collection, as you can see, and it greets you to the salutation store. There's a couple of different options there. It's pretty much minimalistic, plain. However, it's a functional website, so it's great for any it's great for any businesses that are just starting off, just want to have a simple website, easy to organize. Then GoDaddy would be the one for you. Anyways, guys, that about sums up the video. Hopefully it has helped you and given you a stepping stone towards using GoDaddy and using the templates available to you. If you have any questions at all, just leave them down in the comment section below. Other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much.